Welcome back to day 2 of the Level Up Core Challenge. Today's exercise of the day is going to be the dead bug. There's different variations to do the dead bug, so as I'm going through, I will include a moderation portion of it. But this is 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off for a total of 5 minutes. So it's nonstop. However, listen to your body, go at your own pace, get water as you need it. All right, let's go ahead and get down to upside down tabletop. Knees stay in line with hips. I don't want your knees coming above your hips. I want them to stay in line at that 90-degree. Your lower back, I want it to press into the floor. So as you lower your head to the floor, blow out. All right. Now I want you to bring your hands right up in front of your knees, fingers pointed toward the ceiling. We're going to alternate one foot and the opposite hand to the floor in 3, 2, and here we go. And let's go. Stretch it out and pull it back. This is not a fast-paced exercise. Remember, it's week 1. We're going to level up with this exercise, so we're going to take our time. I hope that you have warmed up properly. I just finished the workout, and I am more than warmed up. So if you're not warmed up, I encourage you to go back to the warm-up video that I created and do one more time and take a break. We got 15 more seconds and we're going to enter the second round of this. Now, for anybody that needs a modified version of it, just keep your feet on the floor, and as you come back, just lift your legs. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. So that's what the modified version looks like. You just tapping your heels on the floor. Or if you got it, go ahead and extend your leg all the way out. I want you to act like you're really trying to reach your feet toward one end of the wall and your hand to the other end of the wall. I want you to reach. 2 more. No. This is it. Relax. I want to stay on time with our 20 seconds. Just remember, breathe. Remember I told you about breathing. Number 1, if you don't breathe, it spikes up your blood pressure. Let's go ahead and let's go. And number 2, the oxygen that goes to your brain and muscles, well, you will reduce that. And that's what tends to lead to people fainting in their workouts. And we don't want that. Stay pretty much at this pace. I don't want you to speed up. I really don't want you to slow down. I want you to embrace everything that you're getting out of this. My body is shaking and my core is burning. One more on the other side. And relax. We're now through round 3. We got 2 more rounds. Again, if you have to modify, it's okay. Modify the workout. I want you to burn out. If you're burning out, here we go. Let's go. If we're burning out, then that means you're getting the most out of this exercise. If you could do this with no stress, strain, or struggle, then we may need to change some things up a little bit. Maybe you need to slow your pace a little bit more, slow the tempo down. As you can see, I'm slowing down my tempo a little bit. It don't take much. And if you want, you can even lift your shoulders off the floor. Whew. This is definitely an upgrade. One more. And come down. We got one more round. On this last round, I'm going to keep my shoulders off the floor. Keep my head up. If you bring your head up, make sure you got a fist width between your chin and your chest. Yeah, keep that in mind. Here we go. Last round. Make it count. Let's go. Not a fast pace. And I'm going to be quiet so that I can focus too. Breathe. Exhale as you extend. Inhale as you come back. We only got 5 seconds. Give me one more each side. And the final one. Take your hands under. Gently roll yourself up. You guys are awesome. You've made it through day 2 of the Level Up Core Challenge. Enjoy your day. I'm going to see you for day 3 on tomorrow. So come ready to work, come ready to level up. Have a good one. Peace.